Isabel Ortega will be celebrating her birthday on Thursday, January 25, and Miguel Tan Felix is already looking intent on celebrating her. The Kapuso Love team graced the All Out Sundays stage on January 21 for Isabel birthday production, with Miguel taking the opportunity to give a special birthday message. After greeting Isabel, the Kapuso actor told her how proud he was of Isabel. "I'm proud of you, kasi you've come a long way," the Volts V Legacy actor said. He also thanked the actress for everything. "Pangatlo, gusto kong mag-thank you sa lahat ng binibigay mo sa akin at pinaparamdam mo sa akin at sa family ko," he said. Ye ended his message with three-letter words that sent the audience to kilig heaven. "I love you," Miguel said. As fans and host Julie Ann San Jose screamed in delight, Isabel and Miguel hugged, with the celebrant affectionately holding up her hand to touch Miguel's cheek. In the December 12 episode of Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, Miguel confirmed that he and Isabel are exclusively dating. Early on, he admitted to courting Isabel. "Mahal na mahal ko siya," he said in February last year. Isabel later appeared on the talk show and said, "It's hard not to love Miguel." Miguel and Isabel both starred in Firefly, which was hailed as the best picture at the 2023 Metro Manila Film Festival.